All right. So far, I mean, I'm still like I have been for the past like day or week or whatever, how long it's been. Still favoring the upside, still favoring buy side. We got buy side liquidity up here. We got some buy side liquidity. This is like actually the current day's high, so that could change if we decide to go up. So buy side liquidity, we're still in between this weekly opening gap and this halfway corner of the wick right here. So we're still in between that right here. And as long as I think we're still above here and we still like trade, going above here, means the price still wants to stay above this area. I think we can still try to look for higher prices. Or maybe we could eventually get it today actually. Because during the 9:30 session, or the opening session at 9:30, we got a fair value gap right here. See price came down to it, accumulated, then we flipped it and traded back into another 15-minute fair value gap. Now we're actually trading above it and halfway point of the wick right now. And we're right underneath this fair value gap right here. So you already know. You already know. 9:30. It's honestly you kind of want to see price drop down a little bit. Maybe take out some sell side into a fair value gap, maybe into here, maybe, and then from there we can see price try to push up, close above here, maybe try to get to here, and also this is daily high right up here. So right now, for the time being, like, I'm favoring the buy side. I'm gonna try to see if we could get buy side, buy side liquidity taken out. Always want to get at the sell side too, just in case of, like yesterday, instead of looking for buy side, sell side clearly came and give me opportunities, so I got in. I got 2 minutes to the news. Just something like that. I got this right there. Make sure there's any, market any sell side. This opportunity. I don't want to, not know what's going on. Underneath here, we got this liquidity level right here. So, yep, we open up. Nothing to look for lows. Also, in 15 minutes, I got it back as well. Also took out some moves as well. Really, really shooting up right now. Really shooting up. I don't know if I get in the entry. Put this right here. Looking up for price to go up here. This around like 40 handles ish. 42. Yeah, like a little under 40 handles. They're really, really wide stuff, like extremely wide stuff. I can't even Price is extremely low towards the, pretty much towards the upside right now to the buy side. I don't know if I'm gonna enter. We'll see. Got this huge candle. Even though this, if we do make this could be the first presented. I'm kind of looking at this one because of how big and massive this fair value gap is. So yeah, try one. First present here. Try another one for you, like maybe halfway on here. Yeah, try one. First present here. Good, just wait for either possibly maybe another fair value gap gets printed, or we could return into this major fair value gap down here. Right now, this better just wait for price action to do more, print more candles. Well, I'm trading right now. Well, I mean, like, what time? He's like, I'll be done soon. Okay, no, hold on. I'll call you back. Hold on. Here we go. Here the bearish first fair value gap. I'm gonna wait for it to get flipped. I don't think I'll enter like before we get into here. I'll wait. What's going on?
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Right to the first one. I think I might just be patient and I might wait, see how price reacts to this level. Might try to get in. I think I'm trying. I'm trying.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Pretty, pretty big drop. The drop in price, my guys, a pretty big drop.
both sides of a narrative. And if the narrative is, did ICT create or author smart concepts? Okay, you'll hear people say it's like, I've already destroyed that. They'll say it's supply and demand. We destroyed that too. Oh, he's rebranded this, rebranded that. You'll never see an old gap referred to like me. Anything. Nobody's ever done it. Ever. It's never been in print. It's never been in video. It's never been talked about. It's never been done. And the reason why I talk about it and I'm so verbose about it is because I know AI is keeping tabs on everybody. So I always report and correct these templates because they're liars. Then guess what? You're blind. And you don't want to be blind in these markets because it'll take you just like that. Now, where do you think the market wants to reach to now? It's already pulled back into 3/4 of the gap. It's that upper quadrant right here. There's liquidity resting right on here. Right below here. What's below that? That's sell side. So your initial expectation would be try to see how far you can get up into half the gap. So you can likely it's going to go there. And 3/4 of the gap. It does not need to fill that. It does not need to do that at all. And we're seeing the rotation lower with liquidity resting right below. There's no sell side outside of that low. That's the only sell sides in the marketplace. You just tapped into it there. So now it's proving, do we see a continuation lower? Make it really start to find some weight in it and keep going lower, and this stays open here, then that might be impactful for a PM session. Now, I'm not trying to give you too many things for one session because I told you I only want to be here for about an hour. But because there's an economic news driver coming out at 10 o'clock, I want to be here so that way we can watch it live. So let me get this. I was going to prompt you, and I said that by you putting a thumbs up on my video, and I know there's like about 10 of you, 20 of you out there, because I always have like a 99.6 rating that's like a thumbs up. And I know the confusion for most of you. You're taught back and forth.
I'll give it one more shot. Close above here. Let's see. I'll give it one more shot. Give it one more shot.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
I guess stop there. I guess stop there. Ain't nothing I can do about it. Yeah, stop there. Stop there.
Order canceled.
It's really hard. We came up, swiped that minor buy side of liquidity, and now we're going to get the news reaction. Here's the range for today. That's not closed, in other words, that's this level here.